Mechanic shop, can I help you?
So my car broke down just the other day on the 405 just down the freeway. Looked at my dash, it was lit up like a Christmas tree. What the heck happened? How could this be? Where do you go when you need a car repair? I really found myself in soul despair. So I called Triple K, they said that's okay, we'll be right there, we'll get you out of there. So I looked at my phone and all I can see is a bunch of mechanics rated lower than D. The web is great, but there's so much to read and not much time for a guy in need. Prices, reviews, my head is spinning. What the hell is that noise? Is that the beginning of a transmission failure? Well, that sounds bad. Gotta fix my car because now I'm real sad. Then I found this shop, now that's a relief. So many reviews, it's hard to believe. Mechanic shops are all an arm and a leg, but not this shop, I would like to think. So the tow truck comes with a long ass bed. What a huge truck, is that a shed? Loaded up my car and took me there, and that's okay because I really don't care. So I arrived at the shop with smiles and grace, free water too, now that I'll embrace. Picked up the water, cheeseburger please, oh what a customer, he's hard to please. Got coffee, water, nice treatment too, from Jimmy, Frankie and the rest of the crew. Lifted up my car and then they looked underneath while I was peeking through the window just like a thief. Radiator, water pump, air gun noise, it's getting real hard to make a choice. Allen keys, ratchets, things I've never heard. Tire rotations, oh, is that a turd? ASE master, way to go blaster. Those guys are pros, they couldn't have worked any faster. Computer diagnostics, state of the art. Hey Jimmy, dude, can you make my car start? Frankie says, what's going on Bruce? Did you drive up your car without any juice? So I said, well I don't know, to tell you the truth. We all have wives, just like you and I both. Frankie, bro, can I have another water? Excuse me sir, just don't lead me to the slaughter. Then he said, well your car is in need of repair, but you're in good hands here, so don't despair. Come to this auto repair,
where the price is good and they treat you fair.
come to this auto repair.
Where the price is good and they treat you fair.
So I called up my wife, told her it's a bad transmission, the clock is ticking, we need to make a decision. Wifey says, don't worry honey, as long as you and I both have got the money.